Hello everybody, we are in snowstorm here at Bowling Green State University. And I'm going to be walking you through what's already going on. Very heavy snow. I'd say the biggest thing right now would be the wind. We are very close to blizzard conditions. We are staying at about 25-mile-per-hour steady winds. We actually have some police activity up ahead. We have lots of sirens coming. I'm not seeing anything major coming out of that, however. So right now, ambulance, fire truck. I don't see any smoke, probably false alarm or somebody fell. Alright. I'm gonna shut up here for a second. Let you guys see what I'm seeing. Once again, Bowling Green State University winter storm. My name is Aaron May. I'm the head chaser of the Midwest Chasers. I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm on the road or the sidewalk right now. The wind is extremely intense. One thing I wish I had right now is goggles. These really push some snow up. Some drifting with the snow. want to know, I'm about 6 foot tall. Just for reference, these drifts are coming up past my knees. And then I'm coming up on might be the more shocking thing right now. Yeah, it's snow pushed up from the parking lot. These are at least 12 feet high. We have a road closure up here. I'm trying to get you, wow, it was deep, to a parking lot. In comparison with some cars. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for all of its area. The whole entire state of Ohio is under a winter storm warning. I'm in Wood County. This particular county is expected to get 8 to 12 inches of snow. I am liking the 12 more than the 8 right now. Let's try. I don't even know if there's a sidewalk or there's not right now, if I'm gonna be honest. Look at that! Go right into us. It's intense, guys. Man, I can hardly look into it. Wow! There's some power to this. That's strong gusts. The snow right here is about at least a foot deep. This is the parking lot, guys. We already have some very high drifting. Very intense winds, guys. See the stop shine. It's starting to shake really good. I mean, these winds, guys, are intense. They're pushing me backwards. Wow! Oh my gosh! It's at least 50 miles an hour right where I am.